Question number 1. The ratio of two liquids in a mixture is 3:5 and that in another mixture is 6:1. The ratio in which these two mixtures should be mixed so as to make the ratio of the liquid 7:3. So now I'll explain the question to you. There are two liquids in a mixture. So we'll take the two liquids as A and B. Two mixtures as A and B. So mixture A and the other one as mixture B. So in this mixture A, the two liquids are in the ratio 3:5. And in this mixture B, the two liquids are in the ratio 6:1. So these two mixtures A and B are mixed so that in the final mixture, these two liquids is in the ratio 7:3. So we have to find in what ratio, if this A and B are mixed, you will get these two liquids in the ratio 7:3. So now in mixture A, we'll fix up with any one of the liquid. The first liquid is 3 parts and second liquid is 5 parts in A, and in B first liquid is 6 parts, second liquid is 1 part. So second part will be easier to work out. So I'll fix up with the second liquid in A and B and then in C. So in this A, second liquid is 5 out of 8. And in B, second liquid is how many parts? 1 part out of 7. And in the final mixture, what was the ratio of liquids? First liquid 7 parts, second liquid 3 parts. We are working with the second liquid, so I'll take the second liquid 3 parts out of 10. Now I'll use the alligation rule to find the ratio. And what is the alligation rule? Alligation process is used to find the ratio of the contents in the given liquid. So you can use this alligation rule to find the ratio, to find in what ratio they must be mixed, or you can find the ratio of the contents in a given liquid. So here we are going to use this alligation rule to find the ratio in which this A and B should be mixed so that the final quantities are in the ratio 7:3. So in A, second liquid is 5/8 and in B it is 1/7. So in this mixture it is 3/10. So highest value, lowest, and when you mix this, the ratio will lie only in this range. So we'll take this as the median value. So now by this alligation rule, we'll subtract these two fractions and get the ratio of this lowest part. So which is 5/8 minus 3/10. And now for subtracting these fractions, take LCM for the denominators. For 8 and 10, LCM is 40. And to make this 8 as 40, we'll multiply it with 5. The same way multiply 5 also. Multiply the numerator also with 5. So which is 25. And to make this 10 as 40, we'll multiply it with 4. Multiply the numerator also with 4, which is 12. 25 minus 12/40. So which is equal to 13/40. So for this lowest part we have got as 13/40, and subtracting this, so highest minus median is 13/40, median minus the lowest, 3/10 minus 1/7. So what is LCM for 10 and 7? It is the product of 10 and 7 itself. It is 70. I will cross multiply this, which is 21 minus 10, and it is got as 11/70. Now to get the ratios, it is 11/70 is to 13/40. So cancelling the common factor, 7 into 10, 4 into 10, we can cancel this zeros, and now by cross multiplying, so it is 44 is to 91. So using this alligation process, we can find the ratio of the given liquids. So in this recent exams, this pattern of questions are asked repeatedly, and using this alligation rule, you can easily find out the ratios. Answer for this question is Option C, 44:91. These mixtures A and B should be mixed in the ratio 44:91, so that in the final mixture the two liquids are in the ratio 7:3. So we'll see the second question. Ranbir purchased 30 kg of rice at the rate of rupees 17.5 per kg and another 30 kg rice at a certain rate. He mixed the two and sold the entire quantity at the rate of rupees 18.6 per kg and made 20% overall profit. At what price per kg did he purchase the lot of another 30 kg of rice? And now I'll explain the question. So Ranbir purchased 30 kg of rice at 17 rupees 50 paise. So he purchases two varieties of rice. First variety and the second variety. So what is the quantity of first variety? 30 kg. And the second variety also he purchases 30 kilograms. So cost of first variety is 17 rupees 50 paise. And cost of second variety, that has to be found. So we'll take that as X. He buys this first variety for 17 rupees 50 paise and second variety cost has to be found. He mixes both the varieties and he sells the mixture per kilogram at rupees 18.6. And now we have to find this cost of second variety. Using the alligation rule, we can find this cost of the second variety. So using the alligation rule, we'll find the ratio. But in this question, ratio of these two quantities itself is given. So quantity of first variety is 30 kg, quantity of second variety is 30 kg. So ratio of these quantities are 1:1. The first variety cost is 17 rupees 50 paise and second variety which has to be found I'll take as X. And what will be the value you will write here? So will it be 18.6? So we can't write this 18.6 because these are cost prices and this 18.6 is the selling price. So we have to find the cost price of the mixture. So to find the cost price, only the selling price is given and we need the profit percent. Profit percent of the mixture is 20%. So having the 20% profit and the selling price, we can find the cost price of the mixture. Suppose if in the question, this profit percent, if it is not given, so just go for the option cannot be determined. So some questions they have given where this profit percent is missing. So there no need to do the working. So just go for cannot be determined. Okay. So here selling price is 18.6. And how to find the cost price? So instead of doing this cost price, selling price workings and all, we'll get the ratio of cost price and selling price. What is the profit percent? 20%. So as it is given in percentage, we'll take the base, the cost price as 100. And as profit percent is 20 and as the base is 100, profit is 20 rupees. Then what will be the selling price? If cost price is 100, selling price is 120. Suppose if profit is 30%, write selling price as 130. Add that 30 with 100. So ratio of cost price and selling price and cost price is 6:5. So 6 parts is given as 18.6 and we need to find 5 parts. So if 6 parts is 18.6, what will be value of 1 part? Divide this 18.6 by 6, which is 3.1. And now what will be 5 parts? Multiply this 3.1 with 5, 15.5. Cost price of the mixture is 15.5, only that has to be written in the middle. So don't ever write the selling price in the middle, cross subtract and get the ratio. You will end up with the wrong option. So when selling price is given, we need the profit percent. If it is there, proceed with the question or go for cannot be determined. Here profit percent is given, so we have found the cost price of the mixture 15.5 and that is written in the middle. 17.5 and 15.5. So as 17.5 is higher, X value should be lower than this 15.5. So the logic is higher and lower. If it is mixed, the mixed cost or value will lie only in this range. So now subtract 17.5 and 15.5 and we'll get this part, second part. So subtracting, we get 2. So this alligation rule is used to find the ratio. As we have these ratios given, we can find this lowest value, that is cost price of the second variety. So this value is 2 and ratio is 1:1. Here also you should get 2. 17.5 minus 15.5 is 2, and to get this value as 2, highest minus median, and this working will be median minus the lowest. So which value when you subtract from 15.5 you will get 2? For that you can subtract 2 from 15.5, so which is 13.5. So he had bought the second variety at rupees 13.5 per kg. So for this question, so no need to work out with this 30 kilograms and then proceed. So just you can get the ratio of these quantities, and with ratios itself you can proceed. So no need to multiply this and find the cost price and then proceed. So ratio is 1:1, and cross subtracting as you get 2 here. Here also you should get the same 2, and now subtracting 2 from 15.5, this should be 13.5. So median minus the lowest, 15.5 minus 13.5, we get 2. So cost of the second variety is 13.5. Now answer for this is option D, where cost of the second variety is 13 rupees 50 paise. Now easily you can using this alligation rule, we can find whatever is asked. So ratio is you can find the ratio, but as ratio is given, so cost of either the highest or the lowest or the median can be found, and in this question the lowest cost is asked, which is 13 rupees 50 paise.